morning, family. Good morning. How are you? How are you doing? Are you okay? Thank you for watching. Yes, today we're going to check Gosloto 536 strategy. In case you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, to like and share. Yes, don't forget also to join our WhatsApp group. You can join our WhatsApp group as well. And we have a group which is costing only 100 rand to join. So you can see it's very affordable and it's a once-off price. So I think under you are in our group, you ask, you pray the numbers, hold the numbers and all that. So you may join. This is a phone number you can WhatsApp in case you are interested in joining the WhatsApp group. And we are happy to have you among us. Let's move and let's check the money strategy, guys. So the strategy, that the first one is take the bonus ball multiply by 36. This bonus ball multiplied by 36, and let me check where we can start. For example, let's start from here. For example, you take bonus 2 multiplied by 36, it's gonna be 72. Then you break the code. 72 is 27, and 27, remember, is also 29. This Gosloto 536 like to exchange numbers with the collaboration or with the number which they like to move with. And then you play 2 and 7 and 20. So that's how this number came, right? Then it's 72, you add 10, it's 17 and 12, right? Then when you add the numbers together, it's 9 and 19. You can see that 12 is sitting there and 19. So the number that we didn't have was only 15. You can see 4 numbers came. This Gosloto 536, right? So now you can see that our bonus is only 1. 1 times 36 is still 36, which means that we have a 3 and a 6, right? And we have a 30 and we have a 9, right? Then you add the numbers, or 10 on each number, then you have a 13 and 16, right? And 19. 19 already played, and 19 move with 29. You can see even previously we saw 29, you can see 29 sitting there. So when it's only 1, maybe you can just leave it, but remember, it's always working. Remember, 29 also was found to play here, which didn't play. Then it came on the next door. So this 536, always keep the numbers to the other row. For example, we saw 36. You can see that 3 is 6. You can see 30 played, right? Now let's move. Right, 2 times 36 is 72. You can see 72 is 27, 27 or 29. What I mean, you have a number calling chart, or you have been following the numbers movement, then you have to check which number move with your number. So 29 move with 27 and 22, right? They move together, right? So that's why 29 kept coming. Let's go. 4 times 36, I don't remember the answer. You can see 27 have been delaying, it just dropped now. 4 times 36 is equal to 144. 144. So we have a 14 and we have a 14, 18. 18 already dropped. We have 144, which is a 4 and 1. which is when you add the number together is 9, and we have also 14, and we have also 8, because these are the twin numbers. The twin number are being multiplied by 2, which is 8. So we have 1, 4, 9, 6, 8, 14, and 4. Now, look what happened to the next draw. 14 came, right? But the most important number, since the code was like this, it was a 4, 8. That was the hot number of the code. So meaning that 8 or 4 supposed to drop. But remember, always they like to, when you have a 3-digit, they like to use the first 2 number. I will show you. They like to use the first 2 number 14 to the next draw as a banker, and the delaying number of previous, right? Now 8 dropped here, 9 dropped. So when I say 9, always remember the spin is a 6. 9 and 6. And as we told you, you always add 10 on each small number you get. You can see 16, 19 are sitting here as well, right? Let's again start, because I think some of the people might not understand. I'm going to repeat it once again. 4 times 36 it's equal to 144. You will use the first 2 number as your banker. Then you will take this number. The first 2 number is 14. The multiplication of 14 is 28. The division is 7. That's the reason you see this number here, right? But now we're checking the code. As I told you, they will not play that number straight away, except the first 2 number and the double, or meaning the twins number in your 3-digit code. Now, the hot number is 4, and 4 plus 4, which is 8, this one. That's what I mean. That was supposed to be the hottest number of the code. Now, so that's why the 8 is here. Now I take 144, I add each digit to another. Then I have a 9. 9 is the answer. Then I will say 9 can be 6. That's why 6, as I told you, they keep the numbers from previous draw. All right, 9 and 6, you can see 6 here. Then you take each digit, add 1, each digit that you added. So I will have 18, I will have 14, and I have 19, and I have 16 here. That's where this number came from. They are using the code after a draw mostly, but if the code is a 3-digit, they use the first 2 number. So let's check this one. We have 3 times 36, it's 108. 108. Remember our previous code, we had a 4 and the 8, meaning that 8 is confirming that is hot. 108 is supposed to play to the next draw. So our first 2 digit is 10, then 8 was a pending number now to appear here, so meaning that it will be your banker, since it's a pending number which didn't come on its draw. Now 8 is dropping, it's a confirmed, then we're looking into 10. Now 1 plus 0 plus 8 is 9. You play 9 or 6, and then you add 10 is 16, 19, and 18 as well, right? That's 18. Let's see what happened to the other draw. Now, yeah, we already know where this comes from, right? Now it's time to see our 8. Do you see that? 108, right? Then we have 8. Previously we have 4, and next row we got 8. Then remember that I did teach you guys 2, 4, 8 are like they multiply each other. They can also come following each other. So the pending number is 4 now, since we have 8 and 2. The missing number is 4 on this pattern. So for the other draw, which is the next, we're gonna try 4. Let's move. Now we go again. this is 36. When you multiply with 1 is 36, which is a 3, and 6 is 30, and 9, which already played, and we go with 9. Then you add a 10 with a 19, right? 19, since 19 came, you play the number which you move with 19. 19 you move with 29. 19 move again. It depends on which chart you are using, guys. It depends on which chart, but you can see 29, our 10 is sitting, our 30 is sitting there, meaning that you got your 3 numbers. And if you know the pattern of 2, 4, 8, then you have a 2 as well, except 25 or other numbers, we see where they came from. 2, it's gonna give us 72, 2 and 7, 17, 12, 9, and 6. When you add the numbers together, then you have what else? 7 also is a 14, remember. Now remember we have a 4 pending, so we start with this 4. Now we have and also remember our previous code gave us 36 as it is. We're gonna play 36 and also 3. Now we have again 27, because 27 move over 29, you can just play 27 as it is. And we have a 10 and a 30. Between a 10 and 30 there is a 20 as well, right? So for the next draw, so this is a strategy that I told you that it's for Gosloto 586, which can help you. Now let's move. Another secret that I have is another secret. So you will take this number, which is it. See, it's where is your lunch? Lunch?
I took it.
Where I didn't see you taking it up.
I did take it.
And the water?
Yeah.
Okay. So now we have 27. 27 is, so I was just talking to my daughter, she's going to school. I want to remind her to take the lunch box. So now we have a 27. This is the last number here is 27. So you take that 27, you do minus this number which is sitting in the front here. You understand? So 27 minus 1 is a 26. Then we have a 26 and a 29. These are the number you're going to try to the next draw. You can see 29 it came. Now we have a 28. 28 you do minus 1 which is sitting there. Then we have a 27. It's 27 or 29. Since 29 is sitting there, we can try 27. Let's go. Now we have a 29. 29 minus 1 is 28. 28 also related to 24, guys, in case you didn't know. That I told you already that they like to exchange the number with their relatives. So 24 also was an option. All right, so 28 came back. Then here we have a 30. 30 minus 1 is a 29. 29 is sitting there, even a 30 as it is. Here we have a 31. 31 minus 1 is a 30. Since 30 is sitting there, we can do plus 1, which is 30. It means 31 or 30 between them. 31, no, sorry, 32 or 30 between them. These are the number. The problem they can spin it 32, 23. Even this 30 is 3 because the 3 is also a delaying number. 3 and 4 are delaying. 3 and 4 and 23, 32 and 30. Yeah. So those are there are other methods, many methods that I have for you. We will go through it slowly. Let's just skip this one for now. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Yeah, you can see that I just refresh so that we see the next draw. The next draw, you can see that we supposed to get 7 o'clock, 7 o'clock 3. 3 7. Remember our code was 27. Now 27 is sitting here. Then you have a 2 and a 7, and we have also 3 and a 4 as a pending number. And then you have a 30. 30 came again. Then you have this one. So meaning that our strategy worked and the three numbers came out. I'm gonna repeat it once again. Remember that we use this one to multiply by 2 easy. This one, most of people don't catch it, so we pray after 30 minutes. Now we have 72, which is a 2 and 7, right? And we have a 20. If you add in a 9, is a 9 and a 6, 19, which are already played, and then we keep our 9. And then we have a 27 as it is, right? So then you say 3, 30, 31 minus 1. The second strategy gave us 31 minus 1 is 30. It's either 30 repeat or they do add 1 to make it 32 or 23. So you can see, our previous code, it was 1 multiplied by 36. Then we said the delaying number is 3 and 36. That is why we have this one. So you can see the method worked really. So thank you. For the next draw, let's do this. I just calculate the next draw. The next draw, we're gonna play 36. We're gonna play 9. Then we're going to play again 33 minus 1 is 32 and 23, right? That is also the number we're gonna play. Then we can play 19 or 16, right? 36 remove of 18 as well. You can also play 18. All right. What else? All right. We're gonna also keep our 4 also as the number, which is a delaying number. So for the next draw, we have these numbers, guys. Enjoy the day. Today's a Friday. I hope you are enjoying the weekend, which is starting soon. God bless you. Bye bye.